All right, you guys. So we are in Canva, and what I'm going to do here is just get everything that I want. I'm only going to do one sheet so I can just show you just for the one water bottle that I have. But something new that Canva has now is that you can print from Canva. So that I think is really nice. So I'm going to just duplicate the pages, and I'm only going to just use one, and I'm going to take the Capri Sun off. I'm going to use this one. This one's going to be the one I'm going to print on. So I'm just going to I'm just going to take one of everything and add it to this one page. Um, oh, I do have her. Okay, so let me get these two. I'm going to add this, bring this down here. The Rice Krispie treat. I'm going to duplicate that. Okay. All right. So right now I'm just getting everything on one. Let's see the water bottle. Okay. I think I can actually no. All right. So I'm just going to move this up to where it is close to the other one. Let me go one more. All right. So I have my chip bag. I have my Capri Sun, my hand sanitizer, my water bottle label. I also have my Rice Krispie treats. So I'm really only going to use 3 sheets of paper. Um, this right here is going to be all these. So the water bottle label, the label for the hand sanitizer, and the Capri Sun. This is all going to be on sticker paper. I'm going to have 4 because I did do a bag. So let me get the bag too. All right. So let me move it up. I'm going to attach this. Okay, 1, 2, and then all right. So it's gonna be 4 papers. So two paper, 2 sheets of paper is gonna be sticker paper, which are going to be the Capri Sun and the gift bag. Those are going to be on sticker paper. The Rice Krispie treats, the Hershey, and then the chip bag is going to be on separate papers. So what I am going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and show you how you can print. So what you want to do is you want to go to share. You want to go to see all. You want to scroll down to use my printer. So it's going to prepare everything all together. All right, so as you can see now, if for the printing, it says 10 sheets, but like I said, I'm only going to use 4. So I'm going to use the chip bag, the Hershey's and Rice Krispie, the Capri Sun, the hand sanitizer, and the water bottle label, and then just um, the bag that's going to be for the gift bags. So if you're wanting to know how can you just print off just sections, like just separate ones, what you want to do is go to pages and you want to do custom. So I'm going to start with the chip bag and the Hershey and crispy rice. So I'm just going to do one. Let me see, one through two. Okay. So now the only thing that my printer is going to print is just these 2 pages. So I'm going to go ahead and print those now. And then next I will print out the ones that's going to be on the sticker paper. So see you soon. All right. So while I have the first, the chip bags to print, the chip bag and the Rice Krispie Hershey, I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing that I did, but I'm going to do it for the ones that are going to be on the sticker paper. So that's going to be 3 and 4. So I'm going to go to pages, custom, and I'm going to do 3 through 4. And so now this is what is going to be on my sticker paper. All right. And so just like that, I'm back. And so we so I'm just showing you what has been printed out. So the chip bag, the Hershey slash Rice Krispie. Then this the for my sticker paper, we have the bag, and then we have the um, Capri Sun hand sanitizer and water bottle label. So now let's go ahead and get started. Let's go ahead and get started assembling. All right, you guys. So let's go ahead and start the assembling. I'm just going to go over some of the things that you'll need. You're going to need really the only thing that you need is just the tape, double-sided tape. I did have the ones that had the rollers, but I am out and I didn't find that out until I started the video. But it's okay. I do have double-sided tape. That's what this is. And I just need scissors to cut it. Um, these two are optional. If you would like for your chip bags to have like the crinkled look, you would want to do the paper crimper. Let me get the chips so you can see what I'm talking about. If you can see how it has like the little rigid lines, that's what the paper crimper will do. And then also to cut it if you want it to have like that edgy look. But yeah, that's these two are optional. So the main thing that you'll need is just double-sided tape. You can use glue, which would be the like the hot glue gun. I just prefer not to use the hot glue gun. I just like the tape better. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, so the first one that we're going to do, we're going to try to do easy stuff first. So the water bottle. Try to see how I can get you to see it. I'll do it like this. All right, so we're going to do the water bottle first. This is the water bottle label. So I am going to peel the backing. I'm just going to peel it just enough for right here, and then you just lay it down. And I'm just going to just remove it. And then you just want to go around it. But you want to make sure that it's even. Let me make sure. Now with this sticker paper, it's sticky. All right, so I'm gonna do it this way first. Trying to make sure that I kind of have it where it meets. If there is a little bit of overlapping, that's okay. And of course, I'm getting a call. So let me turn my phone off. Okay. I just don't like how that's looking. All right, so we're going to do it again. So we're going to just like this, roll it over. There we go. I'm just going to leave it like this because I think it's fine. But this is the water bottle. And I just took my label off, but you don't have to. You can actually just put the label on there. Let me move the sliding. Okay, so we have the water bottle done. All right, so turn the light off a little bit. Okay, so the next that we have is going to be the Capri Sun. And it's going to be the same process. So I'm trying to do all the stickers first. So peeling this off. Now, for for the Capri Sun, it is a little bit tricky. You don't want to put it on the front. You can actually take this off, and you can make one where it has a hole. You just have to make sure that you have it perfectly lined up. So in order to just to get away from that, I like to roll the Capri Sun just to give it some oomph. And then you're just going to take it like this. Make sure it's down. You don't want any air bubbles. And you just want to gently press as you're pulling. So you can see it. Okay. Because you don't want it to mess up on you and bend like how it just did. It's okay. I'm going to go ahead and press it down the middle like so. And then I'm going to go over here on this side, smooth it out. I'm going to take it, pull it a little bit, smooth out this side. Yeah, that's better. Okay. This is the Capri Sun. All right, so next we are going to do is the hand sanitizer. So excited about this one. Gonna get the so you just want to line it up to the best that you can. Push down. If this is not the cutest thing, and it you see how it didn't take me long to do, but this is how the hand sanitizer looks. You want to make sure that you do the front, the top, but always leave the instructions. And so far, we have done all of these sticker ones. And let's go ahead. Oh, we did not do all the sticker ones. I have one more sticker. And that is going to be interesting. It is the bag. Um, so, all right. So next we are going with the bag. Um, I don't know kind of what happened to my bag, to my paper, but it has messed up just a little bit. But the show must go on. So what I'm going to do is I am going to just go ahead and peel off the backing just a little bit. This one's a different sticker paper, but it's okay. So what you want to do is you want to line it. Try to get it close as possible. And you want to make sure that it is even. So make sure, just press it down just a little. Do it gently. I think it's, yeah, it did. It went over just a little bit, but for this video, just kind of want to show you how to make and assemble it. Well, yeah, so it's going to go over, but it's okay. Not too much, not too bad. I wish you wouldn't have did that though, but it's okay. That didn't take long at all. So when you open it, I'm just gonna, that's how your bag's gonna look. Just don't mind this part right here, but that, that definitely didn't take long. Um, and then just fold it back over. Okay, so we have done the bag. We have done the water bottle label. We've done the Juneteenth Capri Sun, and then we also now have the hand sanitizer. So next is going to be the to assemble the papers. So it'll be this and that. Okay, so let me get everything together. All right, so we're going to get started. We're going to do the Hershey's first. What you want to do is place it. I just want to make sure that it is together. So, right, you want to fold it over and make sure that it is good. All right, now what side am I going to do? Okay, so get your tape. Whatever side that you're going to do, you want to try to make sure that you have it closest to the bottom. And you want to make sure that you do the sides, just so that way it can be securely closed. My tape is saying not today. I'm going to take this and just cut it. All right, do the same thing for this side. I am going to leave one side open because that's going to be where I'm going to fold it first. So let's go ahead and peel off the backing of the double-sided tape. Okay. Make sure I don't have it upside down. Gonna put the Hershey's right here. I'm going to fold it. Then I am going to take the other side and fold that over as well. Then you just want to push it to close it. Push to close. And there you go. That is how you would do the symbol for the Hershey's. So next we are going to do the crispy rice treats. So let me get everything for that. All right, so we have the rice, the crispy rice. We're going to do the same thing that we did for the Hershey. We're just going to take the tape. This is the side I'm not going to tape, so I'm going to tape all around here. So let's get the scissors. For the one that you want to make sure that it's close to the bottom as possible. And then you're going to do these sides. For the sides, I'm going to go in just a little bit because I don't know yet. I may use these, I might not. Um, so if I don't know. We'll figure this out. Okay. So we're almost done. I made that too long, but it's okay. Just go. Since I kind of made it close, I probably won't use the shears. Because what the shears does, of course, shears are like scissors, or shears are scissors. So it's going to cut it, and I don't want it to cut the tape. All right. Okay, so we are not going to put the Hershey. All right, so put it in the middle. Fold this part over. Then you want to fold the bottom. Want to make sure that the ink is coming off, but it's okay. You want to make sure that it's kind of even. You don't want it to not be even, of course. Roll it over. I want to make sure that this is in the middle. And it's okay if it pulls the ink off because you already know that they're not going to be able to see that part. Just want to line it up. Make sure you get all the air bubbles out. Okay. Then you want to let's scoot it over just a little. Because if you can see, it has a lot of room on one side. You got to be careful because your hands will be sticky. Okay. All right. So you want to just make sure that you smooth it like so. And then you want to do the same thing to the other side. Smooth it out. Right. So this is the crispy rice. Put that on the back. I think I'm just gonna do a little bit of the crimping on this. So you just wanna just you just wanna turn it. See? Get a nice little line. Sometimes the shears works with me, sometimes they don't. But the crimpers never fail me. It's perfect. So that way you give it like a little design. I will, if I do not do it for the chip bags, I'll show you on a piece of paper of how the crimpers, not the crimpers, but the shears do. So let's go ahead and get started on the chip bag. All right, so we are going to do the chip bag the same way that I have been using my tape for the Hershey and the Rice Krispie is the same way we're going to do the chip bag. We are just going to start the tape. Okay, so tape here. And I thought I put it on solid, but I didn't. It's okay. So tape is going to go here. Tape is going to go here. And then which side? Tape is going to go here. So I'm going to do tape going across this way, tape coming down, and then I already have the tape right here. So we're just going to cut the tape. You don't want to have it too far too far down. Oh, well, we'll just leave it. Let's move this tape out from my finger. For this one, you do want to make sure you can get it as close as possible. So you want to try to get it as close as possible to the edge. And this is some sticky tape, y'all. You want to make sure you get it close to the edge without it going over. Okay, so now we are just going to take the tape off or take the backing. Let's go ahead. Of course, it took the chips. Okay, this is the last one. One thing I forgot to do is just go ahead with the crimper. I like to fold it over and then just use the crimper, but it'll be okay this time. What you want to do is I'm going to take this piece. I'm going to put it in the middle or close to the middle as possible. That way I can have my chip bag like so. I'm going to take the one side that is not glued and fold it over. And you want to make sure that it's lined up to your best ability. Okay, gotta get it a little closer so I can see. There we go. Just want to make sure that it's lined up. Or you can push down on it. Okay. Then next you want to flip it over. And you want to try to, yeah, like this. And then you want to repeat and do the same thing. This. Okay. Just want to make sure that it's even. Spread it out. Close it up. And I did not see that part. Okay, well, that's fine. There we go. Just had to fix it. But your chip bag is complete. And now I am going to use the crimper. So once again, you just want to put it inside. Turn it. You want to go all the way till you can see, which is going to be hard for me to do while I'm looking in the camera. So I'm going to say about 2 clicks. You just look at it. Yeah, 2 clicks. Then bring it up. There you go. You do the same thing for the other side. Okay. Once again, 2 clicks. One, two. And that's how the chip bag looks. Now, if you don't want to use these, which mine are getting dull, so I don't really like how it looks when it's dull, because it kind of doesn't want to do correctly. But we'll use the shears just so you can get an idea of what the shears are for and how it looks if you don't know. But what you want to do is you want to take it and you just want to make cuts. See, this is why I don't want to use my shears, because it has like a rigid I just don't like them. So what I'm going to do, so I'm just going to take the scissors and I'm just going to cut. Then I'm going to do the same thing for the bottom. I'm just going to cut it with the scissors. That's why you do not want to put the tape close to the bottom, because you don't want to, if you cut all the tape off, it's not gonna hold it. It's not gonna stay shut. So let's go ahead and just make sure I'm getting all. All right, that's good enough. Oh, I fixed it. These are really good. You just have to make sure that you get some. Like I said, mine are dull. It's time for some new ones, but whatever. But everything has been completed now. So Rice Krispie, Hershey, chip bag, water bottle, Capri Sun, hand sanitizer in the bag. So let me see if I can. Right, so we are done. So I'm going to, the bag, put the water bottle in the bag, the chip bag in the bag, the Hershey's, the Rice Krispie treat, the Capri Sun, and the hand sanitizer. All right, I'm trying to, sorry, my camera. But here goes the bag. Sorry that is blurry. Okay, but here goes the bag with everything in there. Oh, thank you so much for watching my video all the way through. Um, I am so grateful for my new subscribers who have subscribed. Hello, everyone. Um, I just really want to thank you for watching my videos, because that definitely keeps me motivated to put more content out. I do have a TikTok. You can find me on, it's Peapod Creations on TikTok, and also do I do sell digital designs on Etsy. If you want any of the designs that I make, I think what I'm going to do is start just posting those onto Etsy, because I do have the Juneteenth out, and it is the exact templates that you saw me make. You can print these out. Like I said, I got majority of the stuff from the Dollar Tree, but of course, you know, you can do this at home as you can also do this at home. I really do just want to thank y'all for watching my video and give me the motivation to continue to keep on going with my crafts. So just to end this out, don't forget to subscribe. Please like this video, and definitely, once again, be the best you that you can be and never give up on your dreams. Thank you.